Okay, so it's allegedly here, the Houdini keys. Let's see, just got the alert from FedEx. Oh, wow. There was an issue whether it would be one key or all the keys that were in the set, and I think this shows that it's bigger than one key. All right, so here it is, opening day. To me, from Boca Raton. Print readers. Weird company, but okay. Let's open this up. Be careful not to cut yourself. It's just my luck and the guy who cut himself while opening this stuff up. It's a pretty big box. I'm trying to do this responsibly and carefully. What's in here is very expensive. Houdini handcuff keys. This is pretty awesome. Oh, it's nicely packed. Here, I'll take you for a quick tour of it. Look at this. Great newspaper. I don't know what I would use it for, but wow. Look at that. Oh, is this a book? Yeah, from the museum. Growing Up with the Houdinis. School by David Muller. To Scott, one of our generation's premier keepers of the Houdini flame. Thanks for all you do. Your fellow enthusiast, David. Muller? That's pretty cool. Now let's see what this looks like, shall we? I'm so excited. Ooh. What's with the Houdini Magical Hall of Fame paperwork? Pretty cool. Or paper bag. Wow. Here's what I've got so far. Let's see. I don't see the actual key anywhere. Oh, there they are. Wow. They're actually all of the keys. Take a look at how cool that is. Wow, I've got 4 Houdini keys. Absolutely amazing this is. I feel like I'm holding a piece of history because I am. There's 4 keys actually used by Houdini. How amazing. You can tell how different the handcuff keys were. Sorry if you hear snoring, that's Muggsy Marie there. These will be her inheritance. Wow, this is so cool. Keys from the Harry Houdini personal collection, previously displayed at the Houdini Magical Hall of Fame, Niagara Falls, Canada. These keys are from the collection owned by Harry Houdini, 1874 to 1926, and were displayed at the Houdini Magical Hall of Fame in Niagara Falls, Canada from 1967 to 1995. David Muller. That's pretty cool. And what was this on the back? So the Houdini Magical Fraternity Tidings, January 1975, volume number 1, Christopher Visits Niagara. Oh, that's Milburn Christopher. Wow, he was a legend in magic. I believe he's created a PK Touch, which I do all the time. Oh, look, there's the Amazing Randy, too. This is really cool. This thing's pretty old and prestigious. Let's see what else we have. This is pretty neat. David Muller. I, David Muller, am the son of the late Henry Muller, who was the founder, owner, and curator of the Houdini Magical Hall of Fame in Niagara Falls, Canada. My father, in 1967, purchased Houdini's original locks, keys, Illusions and Paraphernalia from Joseph Dunninger. Joseph Dunninger. I love JD. Awesome mentalist. Dunninger had acquired from Houdini's wife Beatrice and his brother Hardin. Spelled wrong, by the way. That's just funny. It's Hardin with an I, not a double E. To whom Houdini had bequeathed the collection. The Houdini Magical Hall of Fame existed from 1967 to 1995. In 1995, a fire consumed much of the museum. This key was in a display in a part of the museum that was not consumed by the flames. Please do not hesitate to contact me further. Wow. So how cool. Houdini handcuff keys with me. I'm the third magician to own this. So we had Houdini, who actually held these and owned them. Then a personal hero of mine would be Joseph Dunninger, who was a mentalist, and now another mentalist and escape artist, myself. It's pretty awesome. Legacy. So I'm thinking of turning one of these keys into a necklace. Imagine how priceless that would be. It's more rare than a diamond, maybe a handful of keys in existence. And here it's temporary home, next to a mosasaur tooth and a phrenology map.